Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Shirley with Unboxing a Brand. Today we're going to be unboxing something called Splendid Spoon. Splendid Spoon is a meal delivery service and all of their meals are plant-based. There is no GMO ingredients, there's no added sugar, and it is also gluten-free. So they were kind enough to send this box to me to test out, and I'm really curious to try this company. Because they sent this box to me in exchange for my honest review, I have no idea what's inside, so let's go ahead and dig in and find out what we got here. What's great about this company is that you are just heating up the meals. There's no meal kits or anything. You don't have to do the cooking. Everything is all pre-made. So all you have to do is heat up the meal and you're ready to go. When you open it, it tells you how to dispose of the packaging. All items in this box are curbside recyclable, and it also says, warning, this box contains dry ice. So when you open it, there's a layer of Climacell. This is a paper insert, so I think this whole thing is recyclable. So let's just make sure of that. Okay, and then you open this, and here are all of the meals that I got. I see a lot of bowls here. They come in these like plastic takeout containers, and I think you can wash them and you reuse it if you really want to, if you didn't want to recycle them. Like if you have friends coming over for dinner or something and you have leftovers, you can like send them home and with their own like little doggy bag. So the first bowl we got is a roasted cauliflower bowl, brown rice taco bowl, roasted Brussels sprouts bowl, green goddess quinoa bowl, and vegetable Bolognese bowl. Okay, and then there's another layer of insert in here. Ooh, I got 5 bowls, and then inside here it looks like I got 3 shots. The first shot is called the Walnut Shot. It has ginger, orange juice, lemon juice, oregano extract. The second shot is a Detox Shot, and this has apple juice, lemon juice, aloe juice, kale juice, moringa, and spirulina. And the last one is a Digestion Shot. Apple juice, apple cider vinegar, ginger juice, turmeric, and pepper. And then it looks like I have 5 smoothies here. So the first one looks like orange hibiscus smoothie. The next one is a strawberry Goji smoothie. Next one is a cacao almond smoothie, mint chip smoothie. Ooh, nice. And the last one is mango guava smoothie. Cool. So I've got a total of 5 bowls, 5 smoothies, and 3 shots. Okay, so if you go onto their website, they have several different plans, and all of these plans are on a weekly basis. Of course, you can skip plans or you can cancel them if you don't like them. Originally, I was interested in doing like a breakfast, lunch, dinner, and reset plan, but they didn't send me enough items for me to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drink one of these smoothies for breakfast every day and then eat one of these bowls for lunch every day for the next 5 days. I only have 5 of each, so that's only going to last me 5 days, and I'll try and see when I can fit these shots in. It's a bummer that they didn't send me any noodle bowls. They didn't send me any soup bowls. I was really curious to try those. Oh well, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these for the next 5 days, breakfast and lunch as mentioned, and I'll let you know what I think of these. On day 1, I had the cacao almond smoothie for breakfast. The texture for this was quite thick, and as I'm editing this, I realized that this is something they point out on their website. I did enjoy the combination of ingredients here, and it felt filling to have for breakfast. For lunch, I had the vegetable Bolognese bowl. The container got a bit damaged in transit. Because I didn't want the whole bowl to go to waste, I had it anyway. I warmed it up in a microwave for about 3.5 minutes and stirred it after 2 minutes or so. Since these bowls are delivered fresh instead of frozen, the mushroom tasted pretty good. If it had been frozen, the texture would have changed after reheating. Overall, this bowl was quite good, and I will probably order it again. Breakfast on day 2 was the mint chip smoothie. This one is another smoothie that has a thicker texture, so instead of drinking it straight, I ended up adding a banana and blended it with some oat milk to turn it into 2 servings. I did enjoy the flavor of this smoothie. There isn't any added sugar. Adding the banana balanced out the taste for me. Lunch was the roasted Brussels sprouts bowl. This one is a seasonal bowl. The apple cider vinegar and lemon juice in this bowl made it taste too sour for my liking. I ended up eating it with a slice of Gouda cheese to balance out the acidity. There was only half of a Brussels sprout in this bowl, and I wish that they had chopped it up or added a little bit more greens. So overall, I will probably skip this bowl if I ever place another order. Had a busy morning and skipped breakfast this morning, went straight for the roasted cauliflower bowl for lunch. This bowl had some great vibes, but was also a tad on the sour side. We had Chipotle the night before, so I ended up finishing the bowl with some leftover tortilla chips. Would likely order this bowl again, as I did enjoy the tahini sauce in the bowl. Later that day, I gave the Walnut Shot a try. I have been feeling a bit under the weather this week and thought that maybe this could help. The shot had a ton of ginger and almost burned going down. It definitely had a strong taste, but I think it somehow did the trick. Don't mind me being outside, it was snowing and I just decided to go outside for a little bit. The next morning, I opened up the strawberry goji smoothie. This one is also marked thicker texture on their website. It tasted like an apple pie, but minus the crust and butter. I had meetings all morning and didn't end up finishing it. We ended up mixing it with some oat milk and gave it to our 6-month-old baby who had recently started on solids. He seemed to enjoy it more than I did, and so we saved it for him to enjoy for the next couple of meals. For lunch, I heated up the brown rice taco bowl. This one was quite good and I didn't need to add anything to it. A good thing about these bowls is that you can count on getting a veggie intake for the day, something we struggle with if we were cooking at home. I wish I had a fresh avocado. I would have liked to add it to this bowl, but I didn't at this time, so maybe next time I'll start adding some of my own ingredients into these bowls. The next lunch was the Green Goddess Quinoa bowl. This bowl was also packed with nutritious ingredients, but instead of it being too sour, I ended up adding some fresh lemon juice to spice it up a tad. I think I would have liked this bowl better had I not been eating quinoa bowls all week. So going a little bit out of order here, I had to take a break from drinking smoothies all morning, and I ended up drinking this one about a week later. The last smoothie that was left is the strawberry goji smoothie. I knew that it wasn't going to be sweet enough for me, and I think that's why I kind of held off tasting it. It tasted a little bit like those panettone breads that you get around holidays and you like gift to people. Wasn't my favorite. It was a little bit too sour for my liking. Probably could have added a banana to make it a little bit sweeter. So my husband is a fan of mango, and he ended up drinking the mango guava smoothie. He did leave a sip for me to try so that I can review it. This was probably my favorite smoothie out of all the ones I received. It reminded me of something you would get from Jamba Juice. My husband also drank the Detox Shot. I tried a little bit as well. This one tasted a lot better because it didn't have any ginger in it. And the last shot from the box is the Digestion Shot. I have yet to try this yet. I will try to leave a review down below in the comment section when I do get to it. So all in all, I was pretty impressed by Splendid Spoon. The prices are a little bit steep maybe to order on a weekly basis, but I can definitely see myself ordering from them for both the convenience and also the healthy ingredients that they use. I recently had a baby and have been wanting to get back into shape because I can't fit into any of my old clothes anymore. I may just order that breakfast, lunch, dinner, and reset plan someday and try to see if it will help with my weight loss journey. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video and trying out Splendid Spoon with me. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave in the comment section below. I do have a coupon code for this company if you wanted to try it. I think it's $60 off of your first 3 deliveries or something like that. I'll make sure to leave everything in the description below so that you guys can check it out if you're interested. I might go ahead and order some of their other bowls just because I really want to try their noodle bowl, as well as their soup bowl for the detox day. So I might go ahead and do that and follow up in the comments if I do so. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and give it a thumbs up. Bye!